Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about on how to handle personal problems in life. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to handle personal problems in life. Personal problems are part of life, and everyone faces them from time to time. However, dealing with personal problems can be challenging and overwhelming. Here are some strategies that can help you handle personal problems in life. Number one, acknowledge your feelings. The first step in dealing with personal problems is to acknowledge your feelings. It is okay to feel sad, angry, frustrated, or anxious. Accepting your emotions will help you understand yourself better and move forward. Number two, take care of yourself. Personal problems can take a toll on your mental and physical health. It is essential to take care of yourself by eating well, getting enough rest, exercising, practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Number three, seek support. Talking to someone you trust, such as a friend, family member, or therapist, can be beneficial. Sharing your thoughts and feelings can help you gain perspective, and other person may offer helpful advice. Number four, identify the problem. It is essential to identify the problem and understand its root cause. Once you understand the problem, you can work on finding a solution. Number five, set realistic goals. Set achievable goals and work towards them, and breaking down the problem into smaller parts can make it easier to handle and help you track your progress. Number six, learn from your experiences. Personal problems can teach you valuable lessons. Take some time to reflect on your personal experiences and think about what you have learned. This will help you grow and develop resilience. Number seven, practice self-compassion. Remember to be kind to yourself. Personal problems can make you feel like a failure, but it is important to practice self-compassion and be gentle with yourself. Dealing with personal problems can be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome them and emerge stronger. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my presentation about how to handle personal problems in life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.